You know that feeling when you think you've seen every kind of Alaska traffic jam? Moose crossing, sure. Caribou herd, expected. A guy on a four-wheeler herding his dog. Okay, fine, we've seen it. But nothing, and I mean nothing, prepared us for the day our road became a runway. We were a few hours out from Valdez. Truck coming, Opus popped down for the drive, coffee in the cup holder, just cruising along one of those gorgeous stretches where the mountains open up on both sides. And then brake lights, a whole line of them, out of nowhere. Now, my husband and I have our own little language for moments on this trip. One eyebrow raise means wildlife. Two means weather. This was a whole new expression, somewhere between confused and delighted, because up ahead, parked sideways like it owned the place, was a small plane on the road, our road. Turns out, in parts of Alaska, this isn't even that rare. Bush pilots sometimes use a straight stretch of highway as an emergency or informal airstrip when conditions call for it. Nobody was panicking. Nobody was mad. It was just, Tuesday in Alaska. So there we are, parked behind a line of RVs, trucks, and one very confused cyclist watching a pilot casually check his plane like he'd just pulled into a gas station. My husband looks at me and goes, "Well, guess we're not making Valdez by lunch." And honestly, I couldn't stop laughing. This is exactly the kind of thing nobody warns you about before a trip like this. This is the part of full-time travel nobody puts in the brochure. You can plan your route down to the mile, budget your gas money, map every campsite, and none of it matters when a Cessna decides your lane is its personal landing strip. And you know what? Those are the moments that end up being the best stories. If you're planning a trip like this, RV, truck, and trailer, doesn't matter. The number one thing I can tell you is expect the unexpected. Bears, weather, mosquitoes the size of hummingbirds, and yes, apparently aircraft. Alaska keeps you humble and it keeps you laughing if you let it. So that's today's little slice of chaos from the road. If you're following along on this whole cross-country trek, you know by now, no 2 days look the same out here. Stick around because Valdez is next, and after a plane on the highway, who knows what's waiting for us there.